Hello everyone, I'm Richard and I will be your host for this webinar in which we will guide you through ONLYOFFICE Automation API. So sit back, make yourself comfortable and get ready. Let's go. So, what is all this actually about? Well, ONLYOFFICE Automation API with a connector class makes it possible to place any controls within your platform interface to manipulate document contents from some external iframe. To give you a better idea, let's explore the most popular scenarios of implementing the Automation API. For example, you can collect all the comments from a document, including the comment author, date, text, and replies, and display them in a custom interface, such as any corresponding section within your CRM or project management app, or any other for that matter. This way, it's possible to easily track the comment feed without even opening the document. This is very useful, say, for sales managers who need to learn about the changes in contracts and agreements suggested by their colleagues or partners, for example. What's important is, when a comment is removed in the custom interface, it will be also removed from the document. Another scenario is filling in empty cells in the given form. Let's say it is a registration form placed within a page of your DMS. Users can choose a username from the list and all the fields in the form editor will be filled with the user contact information. At the same time, this data is displayed in the inputs of the custom interface. When users edit the input data in the custom interface, it is automatically updated in the form editor as well. When the document is ready, the form data can be submitted by clicking the Complete and Submit button. Yet another example is the ability to manage the review process from an external source. Let's take a closer look and check how it works, along with the relevant code pieces. At first, when the user clicks the Accept or Reject buttons in the custom interface, the Accept Review Changes or Reject Review Changes methods are executed to accept or reject the selected change in the editor. Then, when the user clicks the arrow buttons in the custom interface, the Move to Next Review Change method is executed to move between the next and previous review changes. And these are just a few examples you can explore in the ONLYOFFICE API documentation. In fact, there are numerous scenarios you can implement using Automation API. Along with the above-mentioned samples, we would also like to tell you about the ready-to-use ONLYOFFICE integration app for Odoo. Using Automation API, ONLYOFFICE makes it possible for Odoo users to create new form templates for any Odoo module. Linking between ONLYOFFICE templates and Odoo is based on the module values. You can also edit the existing form templates. It is worth mentioning that everything is being done within one window, without switching between the editor and the list of all the fields relevant to the corresponding Odoo module. And what's important, users can fill out templates with data available in Odoo and print them with several clicks using the Print with ONLYOFFICE button added to the Odoo action menu. The ONLYOFFICE app will automatically fill out all the fields based on Odoo data, and users will be offered to save the completed form to device. Does that pique your interest? Then let's learn how to get started with the ONLYOFFICE Automation API. Automation API is a part of ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer, which provides a powerful online office suite with editors for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs, intended for integration into your own web app or platform. ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer also comprises document viewers, Document Builder, and Conversion API. ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer is suitable for any integration scenario, be it document and content management systems, CRM systems, e-learning platforms, mail and project management software, etc. It seamlessly fits any web app, no matter what language it is written in or what deployment model you use. ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer provides advanced security, customization and white label, open API, and WOPI support, and can be scaled for any number of users, even if you have thousands of them. Access to Automation API is provided as a part of the extended ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer license. Scan this QR code to check the prices and contact our team via sales@onlyoffice.com to get a quote and discuss all the details. Or you can try it out. Just download a free 30-day trial of ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer with access to Automation API. This way, you will be able to test Automation API for development. But please note that for production, an extended license will be required. Well, thanks a lot for your attention. We hope you like this quick start guide on ONLYOFFICE Automation API. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.